Hi guys. I think it's Thursday afternoon. I'm going to give you a quick little update, okay? Today's update, I want to go over grades. Now, there is a letter that's going out. I think it went out yesterday, so you and your parents should be getting that letter within the next couple, 2 or 3 days, explaining pretty much what I'm going to explain to you today, okay? And try to maybe make it a little easier for you and your parents to understand what's going on. First, let's talk about the high school credit, okay? So, what they've done, and I know you guys have heard some stories out there, and now I'm going to clarify it. What we're doing is, let's say the third 9 weeks, you got a B in my class, okay? And then this fourth 9 weeks, you do your e learning and you get an A. Well, we're going to take that A and it's going to be your semester grade, okay? And vice versa, though. So let's say you got a C the first or the third 9 weeks, and then this 9 weeks you decide, I'm just not going to do any of the work, I'm not going to worry about it, and you get an F the fourth 9 weeks. Well, we're going to take that C, and that's what's going to be your semester grade, okay? So I want to be clarify that so that you guys know. So the better of the two grades, the third 9 weeks or the fourth 9 weeks, is what you will get for your high school credit. All right, those 3 credits for this semester. You already earned your other 3 the first semester. Now let's talk about the dual credit. All right, that's a completely different thing than your high school credits. We had a meeting last week with Ivy Tech, and the objectives for those classes have to be met for Ivy Tech in order for you to get your dual credit grades. All right. So let's talk about HLHS 107, which is your CNA class. For those who were signed up, completed that 105 hours, all right, you don't have to sit for the certification test. You just had to have completed the 105 hours. You will receive your dual credit for that, the 5 hours of dual credit for that, okay? So we've already completed that. That's already done. That's not what we're doing now. So you've got those credits. What we're doing right now is the HLHS 100 class, all right? That's the Introduction to Health Careers. You have to meet the objectives to do this. So what I've done and what I'm going to do is your essay has to be completed, okay? You have to have that turned in to me. A lot of you've already got worksheets 3, 4, and 5 to me, which is great. Unit 8, Unit 6. I'm going to kind of do those in like a little Word document, and they'll be a little easier for you to see, and you can finish those. You'll also have your quizzes, your vocab quizzes for each unit, and then you're going to have a test for each unit. I will not have a final. There will be no final, so the only test you're going to be taking are what's in those envelopes that are like, Unit 3, 4, 5, 6 in your Schoology, okay? Quizzes, same as you've done before. You'll get a couple of attempts at them. Go ahead and get them finished up. Tests will be a little bit different from here out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just open up everything. So if you're real diligent and you want to get everything done by next week, that's fantastic. Get it done. Then we don't have to worry about doing anything else, okay? Everything else, I'll have it opened up. Last day of school is the 19th. Now, on the essay, it's got to be done a little bit before then. May 11th is when we made that happen and due date. So I need that to be able to grade those, all right? Everything else, as long as you finish it and you complete it, then I will let you have your dual credit. Well, you'll receive your dual credit, all right? If you don't complete worksheets, if you don't complete quizzes, if you don't complete tests, then you will not receive the dual credit, and I will automatically pull you from the HLHS 100 dual credit, all right? I cannot ethically give you a grade if you're not going to do the work, because the work is what we would be doing in the classroom if that's where we were at right now. So I want to make that perfectly clear. You have to do the work to get the dual credit. One thing juniors have to be made aware of, and I want you to make sure that you understand this, you are still on your pathways for graduation. So that means if you need this dual credit to graduate, if you need these high school credits to graduate next year, you still got to do it, all right? Now, if there's some of you out there that don't care about the dual credit and you don't want it, then you need to be texting me and getting a hold of me, or having your parents get a hold of me, and we'll talk, all right? But you juniors are still on your pathways for graduation, which you should know those pathways, all right? I think that's about all I need to explain about that, but if y'all have any questions at all, you know what my number is. I'll still be sending out texts a couple times a week. Look on Schoology. I will try to get everything opened up by tonight, okay? So if you go in there, you'll see you've already got Unit 4, Unit 5 is opened up. I do need to put the quiz and the test in there for Unit 5. But everything should be opened up within the next day or two, so you'll have plenty of time to get it done. So if you have any questions, just give me a call, give me a text. Mom, dad, guardian, whoever it is you're living with, you have any questions, just give me a call. As far as the certification part of the CNA class, I don't have any answers still for that, all right? I hope to have a few answers for that, maybe in a couple, 2 or 3 weeks. But right now, I just don't have the answers for it. But as soon as I do, I will let you guys know as well, okay? So hope all is well. You guys stay safe, and call me if you need me, okay?